Hi everyone, Dishne here, and today I have another demonstration video to show you. So, on today's agenda, it will be changing a simple formal dress into something unique using Dare to Dream accessories. So, before we get into anything, I wanted to advertise that I'm wearing my Heather headband today, which goes so well with my house dress. So that was just a sprinkle that I wanted to add in there. So let's get back to the meat of the matter. So right now, this beautiful formal dress is adorned with all things Dare to Dream. But I do have the video of the dress in its natural form, fresh off the rack. Here it is. As you can see, that dress can be worn as is. But if you're anything like me, you like a little razzle dazzle. And in order to do that, you can use a brooch, you can use some appliques, and you can also use some epaulettes. So let's break them down one by one and show you what the dress would look like with these little Dare to Dream accessories added. Now that you see how the epaulets would make this dress go from blah to fab, I'm going to show you how the brooches can change the look from plain Jane to yeah Jane. So, considering that we've reviewed the epaulette and the brooch, now we're going to go into hair accessories because no style is complete without the right accessories to accentuate the complete look. So, what I have for you today are the following
Let's talk about some hair accessories that could go well with this dress. So we do have a lot of options to choose from. We have the bow hair, that is just a hair clip that can go, if you have an updo, you could just really slip it in. You have a hair comb hair that is adorned with some nice sparkly diamonds as well as some pearls. You can even go in this direction if you wanted to, where it's a lot more diamond heavy and diamond forward. We could go with simplistic hair pins that adds a little flair, nice and delicate, nice and subtle, but still so elegant. If you wanted to outdo yourself, you can easily use this amazing hair vine. It is adorned with pearls and flower petals and a bit of diamonds that can shapeshift basically into whatever style you want it to be. It could be placed in a headband form, it could be placed around the bun itself, it could even be placed on top of the bun. You can go in any direction with accessories for this
after
look.
all is said and done, we have done epaulettes, brooches, hair accessories, and the only thing left
This is the Hot Fix applique. As you can see at the back, it has a melted portion that as you apply heat, it sticks to the fabric. So you don't even have to get glue or sew it on, and you can just simply remove this portion by taking off the sewed portion, because this can be removed just by undoing the threading and adding this beautiful piece. I added it at the top so you could have an idea of how beautiful it would look on this dress. So if you wanted to change how the dress looked, that's another way to do so. This applique is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. It adds so much personality and it just elevates the style to a whole nother level.
That is it. Don't forget, run on over to Dare to Dream Accessories. Anything is possible. Shop. Dare to Dream Accessories. Bye.